Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and most interesting information on health and wellness. Today, we'll be talking about a staple food in many cultures, but with some surprising side effects that you may not know about. We'll be discussing the 5 surprising side effects of eating white rice every day. Now, we all know that white rice is a favorite of many people worldwide. It's versatile, easy to prepare, and goes with almost any dish. However, what many people don't realize is that consuming white rice every day can have some unexpected consequences on their health. So, let's dive in and explore the 5 surprising side effects of eating white rice every day. Increased risk of diabetes. Studies have shown that consuming white rice every day can increase your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This is because white rice is a high glycemic index food, which means it can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance and an increased risk of diabetes. Weight gain. White rice is a calorie-dense food that is low in fiber and protein. Consuming it every day can lead to weight gain as it doesn't provide satiety for long periods. This can lead to overeating and an increase in overall calorie consumption. Nutrient deficiencies. White rice is processed, and the refining process removes essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Consuming white rice every day can lead to nutrient deficiencies, especially if it's the primary source of carbohydrates in. Increased risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that consuming white rice every day can increase your risk of heart disease. This is because white rice is a high glycemic index food, which can cause inflammation and damage to blood vessels over time. Increased risk of cancer. White rice contains a high amount of arsenic, a toxic substance that can increase your risk of cancer, especially lung, skin, and bladder cancer. So, there you have it. The 5 surprising side effects of eating white rice every day. It's essential to remember that moderation is key, and a balanced diet is crucial for maintaining good health. Thank you for tuning in today, and we hope you found this information useful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness.